everybody, I am Prerna Lad and I'm back with the part 4 of fractions. In the previous video, I explained conversion of unlike fractions into like fractions, conversion of improper fractions into mixed fraction, and conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. So now I'm back with comparison of like fractions, comparison of unlike fractions, comparison of mixed fractions, then unlike fractions with different denominators, and ordering of fractions. So now let's start with comparison of like fractions. So in this, the first example is 47 by 65 and 42 by 65. So now we don't have, so in this the denominators are the same, so that's why they are like fractions. So let's just ignore the denominators for now, and what are left is 47 and 42. In this, 47 is greater than 42. So we can say that 47 by 65 is greater than 42 by 65. Okay, so now comparison of unlike fractions. So unlike fractions with same numerators. So let's see how to do that. In this, the numerators are the same. That are 6 and 6. So let's just ignore the numerators and look at the denominators. The denominators are 8 and 7. In this, 8 is greater than 7. But in fractions, we have to do 6 by 7 is greater than 6 by 8 because it's a complete opposite. So 8 is greater than 7. But in unlike fractions, with same numerators, it is different. It is the opposite. So thus we can confess that 6 by 7 is greater than 6 by 8. So that's how you do comparison of unlike fractions. And now I'm going to teach you unlike fractions with different numerators. So in this, the first the example is 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. First, we have to find the LCM of the denominators that are 5 and 7. So that's equals to 35. Now, 2 by 5 is equals to 5 times what is equals to 35? 5 times 7 is equals to 35. 2 by 5 times 7 is equals to 14 by 35. And 3 by 7 is equals to 3 by 7 times 5 times 5, because 7 times 5 is equals to 35 upon 35, and this is 15. So thus we can say that 15 by 35 is greater than 14 by 35. 15 by 35 is greater than 14 by 35. Or 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 5. So that was the conversion of unlike fractions with different numerators. Now I'm going to teach you comparison of mixed fraction when the whole part is different. So let's look at this. In this, the whole parts are 2 and 3. So now we don't have to see the fractional part and just see the whole parts. That's it. In this, the whole part is greater than the first number. So thus we can say that 3 1 by 6 is greater. 3 1 by 6 is greater than 2 3 by 4. That's why. Okay, so now we're going to see when whole part is the same. When the whole part is the same, we have to convert both the fractions into improper fractions. 3 4 by 5 is equals to 5 times 3 plus 4 upon 5 is equals to 15 plus 4 upon 5 is equals to 19 upon 5. 3 5 by 7 is equals to 3 times 7 plus 5 upon 7 is equal to 21 plus 5 upon 7 is equals to 26 upon 7. So now we can multiply, we have to find the LCM of 5 and 7. So that's equals to 35. And now 19 upon 5 times 7 is equals to upon 35 something. Okay, so 19 sevens are 133 and 26 by 7 is equals to times 5 is equals to upon 35. So 26 times 5 is equals to 130. So thus we can say that 19 upon 5 is greater than 26 upon 7, or 3 4 by 5 is greater than 3 5 by 7. Now we're going to learn ordering of fractions, and this is the descending order. So basically the number is 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 2 by 5. We have to find the LCM of all the denominators, that are 5, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now we're going to just find the LCM of all the denominators, that is equal to 5 times 3 times 2 times 2, that is equals to 60. 1 by 5 is equals to 5 times 1 is equals to 60, 5 times 12 is equals to 60. And up also the same number will be multiplied. So that's equal to 12 by 60. We have to do the same with all the rest of the numbers. So thus we can say that 45 by 60 is greater than 40 by 60 is greater than 24 by 60 is greater than 12 by 60. Or 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. That's how you do ordering of fractions in descending order. But if you want to do it in ascending order, just arrange the fractions from smallest to biggest, and then you're done. So that was it for today, and I'll be back with a part 5 of fractions. Bye!